bike is so fast. Holy crap. Hello, good afternoon and welcome to a new video. And today we're en route to the Superbike Factory at Donington Park entrance actually. If you listen really carefully, we can probably still hear some motor racing going on there today. And I'm actually here at Breeden Hill viewpoint, Breedon on the hill. There's one of the beacons at the light ever so occasionally, and I'm at the Beacon Hill viewpoint, and just across the valley there you can just see Ratcliffe-on-Soar power station, which is I think the biggest coal-fired power station in the UK. Controversially, we've had protesters there before, but keeping the lights on for everybody at the moment. And I say we're on Breedon on the hill, but if you look over this wall here, we're on Breedon on half a hill, because there's a massive quarry down there, and they've took away half the hillside up to this church here. Everything down there is gone, so it's Breedon on half a hill. Obviously the ancient church is here, and I guess it's as far as we can go. Whether we can keep going down, I don't know. I'm here on my own today. No Carol, she's at work earning the money. I sneaked off. And I'm on my fantastic MT10, 5.5 years old now. Right, what's it say there then? This ancient site of Christian worship was founded as a monastery in 676 AD on the site of an Iron Age fort, refounded as an Augustine priory in the early 12th century. The church is normally open. Looks like there's only dead folks here today. I'm filming this at the end of January here in the UK, so we're still midwinter here, but we've got a really nice day today. It's a balmy 11 degrees and no ice, so I took the opportunity. I'm not particularly bike hunting, but I thought it might be quite nice to go and have a look around this Superbike Factory. It's supposed to be a vast amount of second-hand bikes there for sale, and they've supposedly got a decent cafe there, so whether they'll let me have a wander around with my camera, we'll see. You can see for miles here. You see why they've got a beacon up there. Look at that. And obviously I've not got Carol with me today, so thank you. She's a calming influence on my riding, so I need to just be a little bit careful. I don't go too crazy today on my own. It's very tempting with this MT10 to give it some, and it is a bit of a hooligan. Oh, I want to go before him, don't I? See mud down the middle of the road, can't you? There's just like a drying line where the cars have been. Oh, so nice to be out though. I don't know how many of you managing to get out and ride your bikes this time of the year, or whether they're tucked away until March in the garage. We do go out, but not very often. Now if you see around here, there's the infamous red route, and it isn't for the motor racing circuit, it's for the airport. and because the airport's got such high drop-off parking charges, people were dropping off on the road, so they got together with the council and put a red route in so nobody could stop on the road, and bought a one of these camera cars to police it. So just as a warning, if you're ever in the area, don't stop. Europe's #1 motorbike superstore. Open 7 days a week, new and used. Monster's not got the trellis frame on now.